Hello, welcome. I'm Sean from SC&T. We are manufacturing in cabling hardware solution in Pro-AV IT industry. Our main goal is to help your installation process as hassle-free and efficient as possible. Although we would love to meet you in person in ISE, CES, and all other professional trade shows, it is unfortunate that traveling is still a little bit trouble during this time. Therefore, we decided to hold this online event to show you what we have done so far and all the new products that could potentially help you in your next project and business. Okay, let's jump into the details. First, we will start from our new HDMI transmission product with different functions. Then moving on to KVN area with different signal source. And finally, I'm gonna talk a little bit about our new AV over IP solution. In HDMI transmission sections, first we will look into HDMI extenders. As you can see, all our extenders can support up to 4K. And we divide it into 3 different kind of range distance, from 20 meters to 60 kilometers. In 20 meters, you can use your existing HDMI cables to reach up to 20 meters, and it is also chainable. And our medium distance solution, using an Ethernet cable, it can extend up to 120 meters, and it also supports daisy chain. In 60 kilometers, you can use fiber, and which kind of goes to all the distance that you want. In HDMI switchers, in recent years, we are getting known to Type-C is getting more common in use. So these are 2 models that can take in Type-C signal, which you can plug in your iPhone or tablet, simply displays your own device into the screen. So the top one, which take HDMI at display ports and Type-C signal, and it also has a built-in extending functions, reach up to 120 meters. And the bottom ones, you will have 2 HDMI inputs and 1 USB Type-C input. It also supports relay control, audios with 1 output screen. In HDMI distributors segment, we have our smallest units from 1 in 2 out models and up to 1 in 10 out models, and all of them supports EDID management and supports up to 4K 60 Hz. In HDMI mattress, we have 4 in 2 out device that supports video up-down scaler and EDID management. Our biggest mattress have 10 HDMI input and 10 HDMI output. It also supports audio extractor functions. You can control it with IR, control keypad, or PC. It's more suitable for bigger projects. In KVN extenders, our new product will implement HDBaseT 3.0 technologies. We will have 2 different versions, one with HDMI signal, one with DisplayPort signal. Both of them supports USB 2.0 for keyboard, mouse, or storage use. It is suitable for some of the projects when you need to provide protection between your server and the operator, such as bank or manufacturer factories. In AV over IP solutions, we have our 1Gig network solutions that supports up to 4K 30 Hz, and that can support HDMI, VGA, and DVI input and outputs. You also have the option to use Ethernet cable or fiber depending on your project and your distance. We also have 10G SDVoE solutions under development. If you're interested in more detail, please feel free to contact us to arrange a private meeting and discuss for more business opportunities. Finally, thank you for stopping by and check out this event. We also open up some windows based on your time zone for scheduled private meetings. Please feel free to fill out the reservation form, and we are very excited to talk to you in person and discuss more detail on how we can help you and your business. Thank you. Until next time.